This video has 5 sections. One of them is about you. Whatever age you are, AI is already changing something specific about your life. Not the same thing for everyone. A different thing, for every stage of life. Kids. Students. Young professionals. Parents. Grandparents. Watch your section closely. Then tell me which one hit closest to home. Let's start with kids. If you're raising one, or you are one, this is your section. Kids today are growing up with AI the way past generations grew up with the internet. It's just there. Homework help. Drawing tools. Games that talk back. Here's the one skill that actually matters at this age. Not learning to use AI, that part comes naturally. Learning that AI can be confidently wrong. A kid who learns early to double-check, to ask, "How do you know that?" builds a habit that will protect them for the rest of their life. The tool will keep changing. That one habit won't need to. Here are the 5 sections, at a glance. Now, students. Here's the real tension, honestly. AI can write your essay. It can also help you understand what you're actually writing about. Those are very different uses of the same tool. Teachers are adjusting fast, more in-class writing, more oral exams, more process, not just output. Here's the practical read. The skill that's actually valuable isn't knowing how to prompt an AI. Almost everyone your age will know that. It's knowing enough, yourself, to tell when the AI's answer is wrong. That judgment only comes from doing the hard part yourself, sometimes. Use the tool. Don't skip the parts that build the judgment. Now, young professionals, early career. This is probably the most immediately disrupted section. Entry-level knowledge work, the traditional way people build early career skills, is genuinely being reshaped by AI tools that can draft, summarize, and code faster than a beginner. Here's the honest read on that. It's a real challenge, and also a real opportunity. The people thriving right now aren't avoiding AI. They're the ones who learn to direct it well, using it to do more, faster, while still building real judgment underneath. Being a strong AI user is becoming a genuine career skill, the same way spreadsheet fluency was a generation ago. Here's a risk worth knowing about, mostly for the people you love. Now, parents. You're managing this from 2 directions at once. AI at your own job, new tools, new pressure to adopt them quickly. And AI in your kids' hands, homework help that can become a shortcut if you're not paying attention. Here's the practical approach that actually works. Don't ban it. Talk about it. Ask your kids to show you what they used it for. Ask them to explain the answer back to you, in their own words. If they can't, that's the actual teaching moment, not the AI use itself. The goal isn't AI-free kids. It's kids who think critically about anything a screen tells them. Now, the section that matters more than people realize. Grandparents, and older adults generally. AI can genuinely help here. Voice assistants for reminders, accessibility tools, simpler ways to stay connected with family. But there's a real risk that deserves your full attention. AI voice cloning scams targeting older adults are a real and growing problem. A scammer can now clone a grandchild's voice from just a few seconds of audio, then call, sounding exactly like them, claiming to be in trouble and needing money urgently. This isn't rare anymore. It's a widely reported, active scam pattern. Here's the one household rule that stops it cold. Agree on a family code word, in person, ahead of time. If a panicked call doesn't include it, hang up, and call them back directly. One technology. 5 very different stories. Here's what ties all 5 sections together. It's the same technology. But it shows up completely differently depending on where you are in life. A tool for kids. A test for students. A career skill for young professionals. A parenting challenge for parents. And, for grandparents, both a genuine help and a genuine risk. There's no single piece of advice that fits everyone. But there is one shared habit worth building at every age. Stay curious about the tool. Stay skeptical of what it tells you. Subscribe for more videos that actually apply to your life, whatever stage you're in. Comment, which section hit closest to home. Tag someone whose section wasn't yours, a parent, a grandparent, a student. This is exactly the kind of video worth sending to them directly.